Luna, here. Come here. Sit. You're so cute. Tonight's dinner, super easy. It's all going in this beautiful thing we call an oven. So we're gonna preheat that bad boy. We don't know what it needs to be preheated to. I always just go as high as you can. Not as high as you can. 425. That's the highest I've ever cooked anything at. Maybe 475, but 425 feels more normal. So these are 425. Look at that. 425. Look at that. 425. Look at that. 450. We'll cook these in the air fryer because they're kind of crazy. Oh, let me show you what we're cooking. Mozzarella sticks, gluten-free, and some zesty string cut, shoot, what does it say? Straight cut fries. So zesty, like classic. And then these will be for chicken wrap. We're going to do chicken ranch wraps. That's what I wanted to say. Chicken ranch wraps. Gluten-free, of course. And then we've got a little, what? Just finishing off these tater tots. And yeah, we'll bring you along once we get all the things, but it's gonna be super simple. There's not a lot to do, but sometimes you need these in your life. There's gonna be lots of cookie sheets. Lots of cookie sheets. I don't even know how many we need, but we'll just pick them all out. 11 to 13 minutes. Everything's 425. That's so awesome. That is so awesome. That open. Keep it coming. Probably cooking a lot of this thing. Just have a lot of fries. I guess I got room over here, right? Let's do that. The recipe right there. Might as well. And then the mozzarella sticks.
Fries, motherfuckers! Hey. Welcome, buddy. Hello!
Look who it is!
It's a plane.
Woo!
Hi, buddy.
Surprise, surprise!
Surprise, motherfucker!
Love it.
What a nice
Bush
surprise.
light in hand, bush heavy. Duh. My bad.
These only cook for 6 to 7 minutes. Those cook for a lot longer,
Yeah,
so we'll just get these in there once that's down to like a 6 or 7. So we'll come back for that one. But otherwise, we're just waiting to put these in. I'll
just have to remember to
click back once those are going in.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're putting them in. Oven's preheated.
One of the ones Derek and Emma
want the
gave
chicken
me.
to cook good, so we're gonna put that down there. This here. Got to look at the chicken, damn it! I know the fries need 20 minutes to 25.
I don't even enjoy them that much.
So we'll start at 25, and then I gotta
Pieces
check the
are all
chicken.
like,
Shoot.
they're not like normal puzzle pieces. They have a lot of flat sides and weird shapes. So you don't know
Oh,
where
I
the
did
fuck
check
they
this.
go.
11
Like, you
minutes.
might see
So
a
if I
stop
did
and you
25,
think that there's
25 minus
this one goes
11,
here, but there's like
14.
3
So at
pieces
14, I'll
that
take the
connect
chicken
to
out,
make
check
this
it,
one spot.
maybe
It's
put it back
just-
in because it's
and the
cooking with 2
colors
different
are all,
pans, so it
like,
might cook
same,
differently.
white
So
and
we'll
red,
check back in around then.
Gray.
Checking the chicken.
I got
We said only 11 minutes, but again, we're cooking everything, so we're just checking. Oh yeah, that's feeling. Those feel good. They're not burnt yet, though, so we're gonna keep them in there. But then we're gonna season these fries. You can either do it in the misery or you can take it out, but we do it in the misery. You don't really get the ones in the back, but that's okay. And then put it back in. Yeah, good. The mott sticks are in the fryer. Bow, bow, bow. We also are making mac and cheese all of a sudden. So, but you know how to make mac and cheese. We're back. Taking shit out. How are these going? Those could get a little crispier. So, because they were below, we'll move them up and let them have the last minute. Mac and cheese is happening. Mozzarella sticks are happening. Or the chicken wraps. You're just going to take these and cut them up. Which makes it easier when you're making the wrap. So we're cutting the chicken to go into the chicken wrap. Oh my.
You guys play cribbage? Yeah.
I thought you were on my face. Whatever kind of bite sizes you're wanting. Oh, try not to lose the breading. Easier said than done when they're gluten-free, but that's okay. They're still good. Make the chicken wrap. Chicken. Nope, that's not chicken. That is not chicken. That is a tortilla. And we're layering cheese. Put that over there. And go get your chicken. Spoop. Spoop. Boop. 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 And then back here, excuse me, boy. Lettuce. A spinach. And then some ranch.
I will.
I hate the not squeeze whatever.
I'm gonna be on board at work.
It's ridiculous. How am I supposed to do that? Then we have some peppers, so we'll use those.
$10 a square or buy two?
And some seasoning, and then we're done.
The numbers? It's a numbers one. So you get paid out every time the score changes. So if the score changes and you have those numbers, you get money.
Yikes. Stay, baby.
And then if you have the final numbers, I think you make.
I will do a taste test once I have all my food on my plate. That's how you form up your chicken wrap. Had that recorded. In case I didn't just record, I'm going to take another one. I thought I did this, but it might not have been recording. And then the rest of this is fried food, and we're dipping it in applesauce.